Good evening, you're watching Prime Edition and I am Regina Manyara. Now we speak business, where the Kenya Revenue Authority has picked Risper Simiyu as the Acting Commissioner General to replace Githii Mburu. I read out from the KRA Chair Anthony Mwaura has said Mburu resigned today to pursue personal interests. The former Commissioner General was plucked from KRA's Intelligence Department in June of 2019 following the retirement of John Njiraini. Mburu was hailed for leading a sting operation in the revenue agency in 2018 that led to the arrest and prosecution of a number of employees who were engaged in various tax malpractices.